Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Rachit Had a Dream. This is a story about a boy whose name is Rachit, and he is a very careless boy. He always puts everything on. So one day a green star came in his dream. So let's see what happened. So let's see the word meanings first. Reduce, to cut down or to make smaller. Make a difference, to do something useful. 5-star rated, a certificate that ensures the energy efficiency of an appliance. Speck, a tiny spot. So look at the picture. In this picture you can see a boy is sleeping. His name is Rachit, and you can see in his room TV, lamp, lights are on. In this picture you can see a green star came in his dream. Rachit shocked to see him and he asked, "Who are you?" The green star said, "I am your green friend," and he told him to come with him. Green star took Rachit to a room where the computers and lights are on and nobody is there in the room. Green star told Rachit, "Look, you are wasting so much electricity. We must save electricity to reduce global warming." Rachit feels sorry and switch off everything. Now green star took Rachit to the bathroom which was attached to the room. In the bathroom you can see the tap and it was leaking since last week. The green star told him that, "Don't you know, every drop of water is precious and you can make a difference by taking care of such little things." Then they both moved to the drawing room. In the drawing room also fan, TV was on and nobody was there in the room. Rachit felt sorry and he told the star that his teacher also told not to leave the appliance on and we have to save electricity. Then they went to the kitchen and there all appliances are 5-star rated. Do you know students what is meant by 5-star rated? A certificate that ensures the energy efficiency of an appliances. But here somebody has left the refrigerator door open. Green star told Rachit, "Can you imagine that, opening the refrigerator door only when needed?" Students, आप लोग भी यही करते हैं ना, घर में आपको फ्रिज से कुछ काम होता है और आप डोर को ओपन छोड़ देते हैं. But it can save up to 7% electricity. Rachit promised Green Star that he will take care and he will not open the door unnecessarily for a long time. Then Green Star told Rachit, "I am happy that you realized how important it is to save energy. But there are some people who say and some people who really do. Now you have decided what you are." Rachit replied, "I will do." Green Star said, "Good. That is going to help you breathe in the clean, fresh air." And they both shake hands. After some time, Rachit got up and he shocked. It was a dream. I really touched the star, or was it only a dream? मतलब उठने के बाद उसको ऐसा लगा, उसने अपने मन में सोचा कि ये सच में सपना था या वो सच में ही ग्रीन स्टार से मिला. And he started arranging his room. After arranging, he looks around. He feels something in his hand. When he opened his fist, what is meant by fist? मुट्ठी. जब उसने अपनी मुट्ठी खोली, a tiny light flashes in his palm and is gone at once. He smiles because he knows it is the speck of stardust. So students, I hope you all understood this chapter very well. So your homework is read the chapter and learn and write the hard words and word meanings in your notebook. Till then, bye.